Hi, my name is Lacey. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. And today we are continuing our MerMay series in June. Not May anymore. We meant to do it in May.
I think we started it. Sorry.
Yeah, we did start it in May. Fine, guys.
The whole Mer summer. Who needs
Yes, Mer Summer. Hashtag Mer Summer. On the bottom screen on the left, we have Hill or Hillary. You can find her at Doodle Monster for Life on Facebook and Instagram. And on the top we have Heather. Also, you can find her at BombH92 on Instagram. And Heather, she's working on her line art. So is Hillary. Hillary's almost done. And I'm coloring kind of. I don't know what I'm doing. But that's kind of where we are at now. This is our third video. So if you haven't checked out our first two, you can find it in the iCards above. And
Let's get it started!
Yeah. If you haven't watched our first two videos, we are doing mermaids in space as our theme, but we really recommend that you go check out those videos because it shows kind of what we're doing, how my friends helped me on Photoshop, and how we got started and all of that. So go check it out. That's all.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Got just the baby. I do apologize if Hillary and Heather's screens are very small. I'm doing my best, you guys. I feel like if I didn't stream mine, I could make your guys' a little bit bigger, but then you couldn't see. But like if you guys don't care, I could unstream. Hey everyone, VoiceOver Lacey here. I just wanted to let all of you know that I won't include our chatting for this video. I basically just took all of our footage that was left and combined it to make one video. So this would be our last video of this little mermaid digital art series. I did speed it up and add music, and it actually isn't as long as I thought it would be, mainly because our last video to this series got damaged. I do apologize for that, but I do think that you guys will still get the gist of what went on. At the end, I will show you our final products and also a little slideshow of Hillary and Heather's artwork, so I hope that you do stick around for that, and I hope that you all enjoyed the series as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, as that really does help me and my channel. Thanks to all of you who have watched this little series, and if you do like it, we welcome to leave us a comment down below to let us know what you think we should draw next. Your opinion really means a lot to us, and we really have enjoyed doing this little series, and I've really enjoyed having my friends on the channel, and I hope that you guys enjoyed that as well. I am going to probably make an announcement about this and some other things, but I did just want to mention that briefly I'm going to be going to the US to see my family between September and October, around there, so we'll be on a little bit of a break, but hopefully I'll be able to video and take some pictures of what I'm doing there and share it with you guys when I get back. Also, we would love for y'all to try this mermaids theme. And if you do create your own mermaids in space, you guys should share it with us on social media. All of our accounts are down below. But other than that, I'll just let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So I guess that's all. Bye.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just find the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
I've been thinking about our first date. You had texted me saying you were running 15 late, but you had said all the right things to get me there in the first place. I didn't care, and when you showed up, felt my heart fly to outer space. Outer space. I'm sitting right by your side. I try to pull away, but your smile gets me every time. Laughing about the time we got lost and almost couldn't find our way. Perfect tonight, feeling so high.